Light your fire by the river, sleep on the ground. Ramble, 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 it's the only way back home. See the crows come and tell your story to the smoke. What can't hold itself up on the land, I say.
We started construction 2018 of what we're calling the Connector Trail, the Jackpot Trail that starts at Britton Peak, goes to the Onion River Road, and then this year we started the trail that connects Lutsen Mountains to the Onion River Road and completed that this fall.
We all live downstream. We all live down.
The trail is, just an outstanding ride for any rider, whether you're an entry-level rider. There's sections that entry-level riders can ride, and even expert riders will have real pleasure in the big climbs and some of the technical features that are alternate lines on the trail. Besides the fact that there's scenic overlooks and it's a wilderness ride that really is not easily replicated anywhere in the Midwest. The new trail is roughly 18 miles with only one minor road crossing in that whole 18 miles, and you're out in the middle of the woods. It's really an adventure, and it's an experience that I think people want to come back and ride over and over again.
We all live down. I come to believe the harvest depends on what you plant. But after we go by the birds, we settle on the branch. Whatever's in your heart's gonna show up in your eyes.
I guess you get the jackpot today,